At gyngor ar y gogledd lle gymroddi tan funud cyn yr hanner I Llandudno oedd heb ennill pwynt y tymor hwn I fynd ar y blaen. Billy Nicholas yn slifio mewn ar y postyn pella am I gol gynta ers ymuno o erbys dros yr ha. Wedi troi chwarae taclus lawr y ddeg am Port yn arwain at gicor smotyn. Tacl fler Rowan Davies yn cael ei gosbi. Sean Cavana a sgoriodd yn golled yn erbyn y Seinta Newydd yng nghwpan Nathaniel MG yng nghanol yr wythnos yn union i'r sgôr. Yna pas gwych gyda thu allan I droed gan gapten Llandudno Daniel Holland yn canfod rhediad Steve Brown a'r hen ben yn cadw I ben ar rowndio'r golwr a rhoi'n daclus I gefn yr hwyd. Gwaith da gan yr eilydd Ethan Roberts lawr y chwith cyn ryddhau Harvey Bennett I grymanu'r bêl yn dwt I gornel yr hwyd a sgoriau drydedd gol o'r tymor ym mhob cystadleuaeth. Gyda'r glaw yn disgyn yn galed yng Nghonwy, Rhys Alun Williams oedd yno i'w gwneud hi'n dair I ddwy yn yr amser ychwanegol, ond llwyddodd Llandudno I ddal y gafal ar y triphwynt.
Jordan, 3 points and a fantastic win.
Yeah, I thought it was thoroughly deserved. A lot of people at the club. It's been a transitional period, but we fought hard. Both players, staff, volunteers, the board have gone through a difficult time, and that is just the start of it. We've deserved more points than what we've got so far this season, but that was a great result and a great performance, and it was a different performance compared to Guilsfield, which was much needed, and I thought it was thoroughly deserved.
I've got to talk to you about the goal.
Yeah.
Talk us through it.
Yeah, just seen an opening. Danny played me in. Lucky enough, I had an alright first touch. It took me into my stride, took an keeper and put it in.
Ia, siomedig I deud gwir. Just I colli gêm fel na, achos hogia chwarae eitha da I deud gwir. Possession and probably 80-20. With no counter and that, ond just y siomedig yn iawn and obviously disappointed and dan I gorfod move ymlaen I deud gwir.